Yogurt and fatty liver disease. Interest in probiotics, which are found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir and miso, has expanded to their potential role in fighting a number of health conditions, including fatty liver disease. Commonly referred to as friendly bacteria, probiotics are living microorganisms that normally reside within the digestive tract, mouth and vagina. These beneficial critters may promote health in a number of ways, including suppressing pathogenic bacteria growth and immune stimulation. A nationwide problem. With rates of overweight and obesity continuing to climb, fatty liver disease is a nationwide health concern. It occurs when an abnormal amount of fat accumulates in your liver cells. Risk factors include being overweight or having diabetes, insulin resistance or high triglycerides. Regularly consuming excess alcohol, toxins, certain drugs and inherited metabolic disorders can cause fatty liver as well. When it's caused by something other than alcohol, it's referred to as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Probiotics and liver disease. Microorganisms in the intestinal tract play a significant role in liver cell function. The review found that changes in the type and amount of microorganisms residing in the intestinal tract can result in fatty liver and other harmful liver effects. Based on a review of current clinical evidence, the authors concluded that probiotics are a safe, inexpensive strategy to improve various liver diseases. Yogurt and fatty liver. Probiotics control the growth of pathogenic bacteria, some of which can have harmful effects on liver cell function. Researchers investigated the effects of eating probiotic yogurt in adults with non-alcoholic fatty liver. Participants ate yogurt daily for 8 weeks. Yogurt consumption improved liver enzymes and lowered total cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein, a bad form of cholesterol. The authors concluded that probiotic yogurt may prove useful in managing non-alcoholic fatty liver risk factors. Visit the website. Click below.